shut up and drive, 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 drive. Shut up and drive, drive.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we are at Grays on the London Tilbury and Southend line. Here is 357322. The train that brought me in was 357043. And, well, this line hasn't changed a bit, I think. But I'm not sure, because I haven't been on the line in 11 years. Which is most of my life. And I must say, I love it. I just love C2C. Their trains are just so unique. Oh, we have a train running early. No way. I have no idea what this is. But now approaching is a train from London Fenchurch Street to elsewhere. This is 357320, terminating in from London Fenchurch Street. I don't have times until past. But I think this is to Romeo 21. However, I'm not sure. Well, we'll see what's next here. Right, so as you can see, this train is apparently one of CTC's metro sets. However, I was not on one of CTC's metro sets, and it was 357043 that brought me in. Which is one of their national, which is one of their regional sets, which had higher density seating than the metro sets. Okay. And also with this set, that you can still make out National Express branding, even though CTC is now owned by Trenitalia. It just, you know, it was just a sticker and they peeled it off in the set. I won't judge. It would be a great deal to do the same thing. Go the parent company of company. And with that, we'll see us next year at Grays on the LTSR. And now departing is 357320 on to Romeo 23. The 12:30 CTC service started here, heading towards London Fenchurch Street. So, we'll see what's next here. There's that word, I'm doing that way too early. And as that goes around the corner, we'll see what's next here at Grays on the London Tilbury and Southend Railway. And now approaching, getting ready to arrive, is 2 Delta 21, the 41 CTC service from Southend Central to London Fenchurch Street. This train will be calling at Purfleet, Rainham, Dagenham Dock, Barking, West Ham, Limehouse and London Fenchurch Street. And we'll catch this on its departure, and it's 357045. And now departing is 357045 on 2 Delta 21, the 1241 C2C service from Southend Central to London Fenchurch Street, calling at Purfleet, Rainham, Dagenham Docks, Barking, West Ham, Limehouse, and London Fenchurch Street. Oh, and also is 2 Delta 20, the 1240 CTC service from London Fenchurch Street to Southend Central. This is 357023. Why does CTC only run 4-car trains? It's not like they haven't got the infrastructure, and it's not like they haven't got the trains either. They've got loads of these, and they have three 8/7s as well. So really is no excuse. C2C, start running 8-car trains in off-peak times. Anyway, we'll catch this on its departure. And now getting ready to depart is 357023 on 2 Delta 40, the 1240 C2C service from London Fenchurch Street to Southend Central. I have no idea where this is stopping. It's many, many, many complicated places. And with that, we'll see what's next here at Grays. And now getting ready to depart is 357322 on 2 Romeo 25, 1300 C2C service starting here, headed to London Fenchurch. That's leaving perfectly on time, which you'd expect because it terminates here, and therefore the driver has plenty of time to prepare the train and yada 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 yada.
CCTV is in operation at this station for your security. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport.
Right, so actually,
61016.
that train should have left by the time I got here. Two Romeo 23 should have been in there, but it came into here and turned round because the train that basically the 1254 terminating service got cancelled, so this train had to stay in the platform for much longer. C2C takes 6 minutes to turn round at Grays anyway. So they had to use this platform instead of that one because the 1254 got cancelled. So with that, we'll see what's next here at Grays on the LTS line. Okay, so it looks like we won't have head codes for the remainder of this video because my iPad has just overheated. It never does that. It's the first time it's ever overheated, and I've had it for 3 years. So global warming is not only affecting ice and sea levels, it's also affecting Apple devices. Apple devices don't normally get hot. Global warming is really an issue. Let's see if I can get the screen up for long enough to show you. There it is. You can see it. It's put the brightness all the way down. Don't know where it is. Yeah, but it says temperature. Your iPad needs to cool down before you can use it. So, hooray for a head codeless thing. Luckily, I won't be completely blind, as the destination boards on C2Cs not only work, and work well, but they actually have the time on them. Like their departure time, which is what I read. And I can guess froms, because for some reason today it's all South and Centrals. There's no Tilbury and Southend today. Must be a Sunday service thing. No Tilbury and Southend on a Sunday. Anyway, you'll see what's next here at Grays on the LTS line. Okay, never mind about what I said previously. I unplugged the iPad for a few minutes, and we have life in the iPad. It's still burning hot. But it's very hot today, and I wouldn't be surprised even. I just really wouldn't be surprised if it was hot, because of the weather today. Anyway, this time we will see what's next here at Grays on the LTS line. Sorry about that, and now arriving is 2 Delta 23, the 1311, southeastern, no, the 1311 C2C service from Southend Central to London Fenchurch Street. This is formed of 357202, and I've just found out that C2C have very short dwell times. Let's watch this. Very short compared with what you get at my local. Interlock lights are still on, by the way, and the interlock light should be going off any second now. And they're off. Just like that. And now departing is 357202 with 2 Delta 23, the 1311 C2C service from London Fenchurch Street to Southend Central. Right, so that was our penultimate train of the day, because Grays is boring, and I frankly don't want to be here for too long, because Dagenham Dock is going to be so much more interesting. So we're going to film one more, and then I'm going to leave. So we'll see what our final train of the day here at Grays is going to be. And now approaching is our final train of the day, to Romeo 24, the 1323, C2C service terminating in from London Fenchurch Street. This is also the train that I'm getting on to go to my next station of Dagenham Docks. So I'm going to be really quick rounding this off, because I also need to get my ticket to Dagenham Dock, because I've just changed the plan. And I need to get a drink as well. So, if you have enjoyed it... Oh, this is, by the way... this is formed of 357325. So if you have enjoyed this, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.